The Pratfall Effect. Trying to look perfect in your business? Bad move. People don't trust perfect. That's the Pratfall Effect. If you're competent but make a small mistake, people actually like and trust you more. Why? Because perfection feels fake. Customers don't connect with flawless corporate robots. They connect with real people. Think about it. Would you rather buy from a polished but lifeless brand, or from someone great at what they do, but who also laughs off a typo in their email? So how do you use this in business? 1. Stop over-polishing your brand. A few human moments, an unscripted video, a behind-the-scenes fail, make people feel connected. 2. Own your small mistakes. If you mess up, don't panic. Acknowledge it, make a joke, and move on. It builds trust. 3. Be confident in imperfection. The key is to be great at what you do, but not be afraid to be human. That's what makes people loyal. Bottom line, customers buy from people they trust, and people trust those who are real. Follow to learn the secrets of raw psychology.